Hey, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you the exam prediction of your 10th January 2025 IELTS exam. Who is going to appear in this exam? Please watch this video till end because it can be useful for you for your upcoming IELTS exam. But again, the request is if you are new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel because here you can get the opportunity to get your free speaking practice. Number two, you can get the answer key of your exam. Number three, you can also get the prediction of your exam. And also if you are looking or struggling for the topics, then you can get the answers here, prepared answers here, different from the other books. All right, so now let's get started. Very first, we are going to start the listening part one, likely to be a conversation related to the daily situation. Example is like booking, inquiries, or services. So this is part one prediction. We already predict this part for like it's going to be easy to moderate, but the way how it will be moderate, then again let's describe that too. But again, in today's video, I'm going to give you the what type of questions and what type of topics you can have it, and you should prepare for your IELTS exam. Okay, for upcoming IELTS exam. I know that exam is always very vast material, but again, if you have the material, then you can just focus on these one and also as well as with the other two, because you know this is IELTS. Okay, so you can have the answers from anything, any questions from anywhere. Okay, part two, map labeling and MCQ related to the local events or workplaces scenario. So please, this is kind of a prediction, so predictable, this is expected topics. You can have that in your exam, you can't be. Okay, so but if you can, then you need to, because you are preparing, right? So you need to definitely prepare first and focus on these topics, and then you can definitely go over the other topics too. Part three, expected topic, the discussion between 2 to 3 speakers about the project or research topic. Multiple choice questions and match the information you need to complete in this part. So, and the topic should be, as I mentioned, that discussion between 2 to 3 speakers. So you need to please pay attention on that too, so in that way you can get your answers. Number four is monologue based on an academic topics with note completion. Okay, and answers. So many students ask me about what is monologues means. So it means a long speech by one player or actor or speaker. So or you can say as a part of a theoretical or broadcast program, so where you can see the information, and on the basis of that information you can fill the information in the multiple choice question answers or match the information. So this part is completely based on options, but again, if you put the option name there, then it is not wrong, because many students ask me in this previous exam, because they put that the name in front of instead of option A, B, C or something. It is good because as per, if you see the time, so according to the time you can always keep the options there. But if there is a no time, less time, then you can definitely keep A, B, C, D. But if you have time, then try to explain that, okay, what is that answer. Okay, like the way I uploaded my answers, you can see the answer key of 4th January 2025 exam, which is held on that day. That listening answers I already uploaded. If anyone is watching this video and had reading answers, please put that in the comment section. I will compile that with my students, because I need to check with them also, and then upload all the full answer key here in the channel. Okay, all right, so now reading, moving forward to the reading. But before that, if you are new on this channel, the only request is please don't forget to subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends who is going to appear in IELTS exam in upcoming months or years. And for the practice sake, if they have doubts, I am here to clear all the doubts. And if they need the training for speaking side or any guidance for abroad, then I'm also here to help them for that one-on-one discussion or meetings too. And for good news, everybody, my team's next, because I always give my trainings or one-on-ones on Teams and group meetings on Teams. So I'm going to start my 7th group there. So if you are interested, send me your email ID so that I can add your names in there. So usually I give my all the online speaking sessions or all my speaking notes and video recordings in there in that Teams. So if you are looking for there, then you need to install the team software, and then again send me that your email ID so that I can add you in there and you can find the invite in your Teams. Okay. All right, so reading section, passage 1, a factual or article possible related to the scientific and technological topic. So mainly in this part you can always see in passage 1 true false, not given, and sentence completion are the common. But again, this is the prediction for the IELTS academic in general student, because reading and listening are the same and writing is also the same, but task 1 is a little changed. They are having a letter, and in the academic side they have the bar chart, right? So the chart, okay, the table. Okay, so now moving forward to passage 2. Passage 2 is a detailed descriptive passage, possibly about the nature, please complete, or the environment, expected headings matching and summary completion. So in this part you usually find your answers, and you can also have the answers on the basis of these topics. So please prepare these topics. If you find in your Cambridge book, if you find the material anywhere online or somewhere, then you need to prepare these and more focus on the nature type questions and environmental questions. These are, and expect the heading with the matching of these environmental topic, any of the environment topic or related with the nature. This is the expected possibility if in your upcoming IELTS exam. And passage 3 is multiple choice question answers, and also yes, no, and not given questions type you always find in there. So expected a complex argumentative passage often discussing a social issues or historical events. These are the important types here. So please prepare all these. General training for reading. Section 1 means part 1 or passage 1 should be short text or practical topics here. Advertisement or notices with the matching question answers. So this is the type of for you journal training students. Prepare yourself accordingly. Find all the Cambridge book 11 to 19. 20th will be published soon in maybe July, June and July. This is the expected time. But before that, you have 11 to 19 available courses or Cambridge book. Please dig up all. Section 2, a work related text such as instructions, policies, and sentence completion tasks. So these are the tasks is important for section 2. Please find these topics in your Cambridge or any other material if you have it. Extra material if you are looking for finding on the websites or anywhere, you can do practice on this one too. Section 3 is longer semi academic text, and then semi academic text, and with a mix of true false, not given, and matching questions are the part 3 for this reading side. If you are looking for the speaking buddy partners, then again you need to reach out to our team. They will reach out, they will get back to you if we have empty slots right now. But again, the good news is we are going to start our team's new session, so new group. If you are looking for the speaking buddy partners or group speaking partners, then definitely we are or usually give our teams one-on-one meetings and teams group meetings, so and share all the data there, not in WhatsApp, not in any other places. So if you are looking for the free English speaking buddy partners, then you need to download that software in your system, in your computer or anywhere where what is the source you have it, or even on the phone too, Teams and then send us your email ID or maybe phone number. I can add you in that group, okay? Or my team can add you in that group. Our new group is going to start very soon. Now we are opening for that too. We are calling the new students to for that group. Or writing. So writing task 1 is bar, chart, table, or pie. uh, Chart comparison is very important. Please work on that. Is a possibility. The process diagram too. So please prepare these tasks for academic students. And academic task 2 is expected topic on technology for training, for general training students too. Please prepare the topic technology, society, environment, workplace, employment, health, and lifestyle. These are the important topic for task 2. For general training, task 1 expected letter type is formal letter. Writing a writing a company about the complaint, services issues. So these are the important expected topic for the general training in task 1. Task 2 will be for change. The expected topic for task 2 is essay writing, will be the same for both journal and academic student. No change in there. So this is all about your 10th January 2025. Very close, very close prediction for your IELTS expected questions in your upcoming IELTS exam on 10th January. If you are going to appear in 10th January 2025, please watch this video before you go to your exam, because here nothing is new, but something is likely to be different from your other training preparation, whatever you are preparing right now. Just whatever you are preparing, prepare as the same you are doing, but again consider these are also very important for your upcoming IELTS exam, and focus on these areas too, because these are the possible, very possible prediction for your upcoming IELTS exam, okay, on the point of that. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. My next prediction, possible close prediction on 16th January 2025 IELTS exam. So please watch my next uploaded video. Might be published on tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care, and best of luck for your IELTS exam. And don't forget to subscribe this channel. Bye bye, take care.